as Group Captain mentioned about Kargil, and you have been a Kargil veteran, and I have read Chinese state media reports, which are psycho ops kind of, which say that Indian troops cannot sustain for long in mountains, in cold, and etc. etc. So, what is your response?
You see, it is only a psyops which they are carrying out, and if you see their battalion and regiments organization, they have a political advisor in their organization, whose role is basically to carry out these kind of psychological warfare, by means of broadcast, by means of leaflets and all such issues. China is not aware. You see, if you see Chinese deployment, a bulk of the forces, you see, they have a conscription army. They have been just enlisted, and they have timelines of 2 years, 4 years. In the Indian Army, our army is in these heights or these height bands of 15,000 and above, 24/7, 365 days. If we can sustain Operation Meghdoot in Siachen from 1984 till date, do you think our soldiers will not be able to do it? Which is wrong.
Not only sustain, I think Operation Meghdoot not only sustaining, but we have been dominating all these years against Pakistan's efforts.
Yes, Ajayji, I agree with you, and that is an eyesore to China, because without threatening Siachen or without overrunning Siachen, Pakistan and Chinese border cannot meet. And because of the change, geostrategic scenario, now his interest is on the CPEC, Karakoram Highway and such like. Otherwise, his main focus was Arunachal Pradesh and not this area.
Right.
Thirdly, you see, our winter stocking has been so very well stocked. Now it is for the better part of the year, and our troops are going to be there. You see, the lifeline is arms and ammunition, rations, and K-oil. We have stocked our army for such a long engagement that Chinese, they cannot even imagine. Thirdly, you see, our troops are battle-hardened. They have carried out a large number of exercises in mountains. They have fought wars in mountains. Be it 65 war, be it 71 war, be it Kargil, and you name any war. And our army has stood the test of time. So Chinese propaganda that Indian troops, and more so our now troops deployment is son of soil. We have Ladakh scouts, we have SFF battalions which are there, and they operate like mountain goats. So Chinese apprehension and broadcasting such news is totally a bunk up, and they are trying to just mislead their own people, and they are trying to create some kind of effect on the Indian army, which is in vain. You see, our troops are so motivated, and जिस तरह का जुनून है हमारे यहाँ देश में, आप ये देखिए, it is not the equipment or the numerical strength which matters, and China has opened so many fronts that they are not able to address them. So their employment application, whether it is of Air Force or Army, it is going to be fragmented. It is going to be, you have Taiwan, you have various other, you have three big, warships in Indian Ocean and South China Sea. They are as good as armies.
So in fact, while talking about